Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing this lace wig by Sensational called Kailyn in the color dark teal. Alright, so here I'm just showing you how the wig comes. It has two combs in the front, one in the back, adjustable strap, and the color is dark teal. So really nice, pretty dark blue. It's really pretty, especially like in the sunlight. The color is gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm just using my hands to finger comb the curls. I just wanted to loosen up the curls a little bit. I didn't want it to look too perfect. And now I'm just using my tweezer to pluck the part a little bit more so it can look just a little bit more natural. Here I'm adding some powder. This is my Black Radiance dark to medium powder. I'm adding some of that powder on the lace part so it can mimic the color of my scalp. So I'm still finger combing this hair, and I did notice a few shedding, especially on the back. Also, I noticed a little bit of tangle in the back, in the nape area. So it's expected. And look at me, trying to be cute, trying to do the little cute little hump thing, and boom, burnt myself. Okay, it was fine. It was red the next day, but the things you do for YouTube. All right, love, this is it. This is a cute little wig. It's very affordable. The color is cute. It's not too light, not too dark. It looks lighter in the sunlight. But I'll leave the link down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like this video, leave a comment, because you know it keeps me, it motivates me to keep going. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.